Hey, I'm Viveka and I'm a supply officer.
And my name is Dan and I'm Supply Chain and Quality Manager at Airbus. Together, we ensure that the components of our international supply chain are available in time and in the right quality for our aircraft production.
Thanks to my open-minded nature, I was able to be quickly onboarded by my team. Together with the production teams, we create a comprehensive needs analysis and then forward this to our suppliers in the form of orders. We track these orders until delivery to the production plant. If there are delivery or quality problems, I get done on board.
If necessary, we work with the suppliers on site to analyze the situation and assist with corrective actions. We are proud when production is supplied with components on time. This ensures that our aircraft are delivered on schedule.
If you would also like to procure the parts for our aircraft in an international environment,
then apply now.